How to change contact color on iPhone. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application phone. Once you're inside phone, head over to contacts at the bottom of the screen. Now move into the contact of a person that you want to change the color. Once you're in this page, click on edit at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply tap on this icon at the middle. Click on monogram at the bottom right corner of the screen. It has already changed the color. If you want to change more, click on this icon. Tons of different colors will be available to you. From here, you can select any of the color that you want to set. With this range icon, you can also change the shade of the color. So once you are done choosing the color, click on done at the top right corner of the screen. And then simply click on continue. After that, whenever you receive the call from this person, this color will show up and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.